Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chris. It's your boy Chris. It's another amazing episode of Financipation. This channel is all about making money, saving money, building generational wealth, and financially emancipating yourself from generational poverty. On this channel, everybody, I try to give you a six-figure MBA level worth of investing in financial knowledge for free here on YouTube. And the things that people typically spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to learn in grad school and in business school, I give it to you for free here on Financipation. Also, I want to give a shout out to one of my sponsors, Killer Solutions. They're the ones who do all these dope digital graphics that you see. They're the ones who do my digital marketing, my website development, and they're the ones that edit my YouTube videos. And they're the best pretty much in meeting all your digital needs. So if you're looking for someone to do website development, digital marketing, website design, you will not go wrong going with Killer Solutions. Also, please hit that notification bell, okay? That way you know when I drop new content. And please hit that like button. Please comment. Please subscribe. It helps the algorithm. And I thoroughly enjoy giving you guys free content and free knowledge, okay? So I recently had an individual reach out to me. He was a Forex trader, and he told me that I should send him $1,000 for his Forex course so that he could teach me the secrets to success and the secrets to building money and getting wealthy and getting rich or whatever by being a Forex trader. And people, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I literally laughed at this guy. If you follow my channel, you are well aware of the fact that I openly talk about the fact that there are no secrets to success. All the secrets, people, are in these things called books, podcasts, and YouTube. And if someone is coming up to you basically saying, pay me a certain amount of money, a couple $1,000s, a couple $100s or whatever, so they can teach you the secrets to success and so they can teach you their methods to get rich, literally laugh at that person and walk away. Why? Because once again, if you want to find the secrets to success, read a book, take a course, or go to YouTube or listen to a podcast. It's as simple as that. Anyway, me and this individual spoke or whatever, and within seconds, I could tell that this person immediately had literally no idea what they were talking about and that they were exposing themselves to literally a lot of financial risks. And they ultimately are probably going to end up costing themselves literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in comes their money into their retirement accounts if they continue to try to be a Forex trader. And as a result, people, I thought about that. I was like, you know what, let me do a podcast on why Forex is absolutely horrible. And that's what we're going to focus on this particular podcast, okay? Why Forex trading is a terrible long-term solution for your financial future, and why Forex trading is bad. And if you're serious about building a generational wealth and financially emancipating yourself from poverty, I would highly advise you to not get into Forex. I will start off at the top, okay? According to a 2023 study that was done by Investopedia and Quantum Strategies, 90% of Forex traders lose money over any period of time. So people, would you really want to get involved with a financial product where 90% of the time you are statistically guaranteed to lose a lot of money? One of the more alarming things that I constantly see about Forex traders is that for whatever reason, it seems like it is overwhelmingly marketed to broke people and to individuals that are financially illiterate. A quick TikTok or Instagram short search or whatever, and you'll find literally thousands of men and women in their early 20s posted up in front of Lamborghinis and Porsches and Ferraris and Teslas, and essentially on yachts, bragging about Forex trading, claiming that it made them rich. And it's some of those kind of things that, for whatever reason, millennials, our generation, it seems to be an impetus to push Forex trading, when in actuality, the numbers clearly say you don't make a lot of money with it. In fact, you lose a lot of money. And in reality, everybody, it is an extremely risky investment. And you are almost guaranteed to lose money if you become a Forex trader. When I first started Financipation, I was surprised, honestly, at how rarely, to be honest with you, that I see Instagram or TikTok videos of people talking about boring financial products like Roth IRAs, HSAs, index funds, or 401k matches and things of that nature. Yet I constantly see TikTok videos about Forex trading, and I constantly see social media influencers like the individual that reached out to me trying to get me to basically get into Forex trading when this product clearly does not work. These fake content creators all sell broke people terrible dreams and the false idea that day trading and Forex investing is an easy money-making scheme, when in reality, Forex trading is extremely difficult. It's extremely time consuming, and 90% of the time that people who invest into it lose a lot of money. Next, you should avoid Forex trading because of the leverage and the risks that are associated with it. So Forex, if you're not familiar with it, is short for foreign exchange market, and it is arguably the largest and the most liquid market in the world. So due to its high liquidity, 24/7 coverage, and easy access, Forex trading has endeared itself, unfortunately, to financial professionals and also, unfortunately, to the financially illiterate. And sadly, it is costing 90% of both individuals a lot of money. Leverage, once again, in my opinion, everybody, is the number one reason why you should avoid Forex, because once again, it is much easier to lose a lot of money than to make a lot of money if you become a Forex trader. Most Forex brokers gladly give their broke and financially illiterate clients leverage of up to 50 times their deposit. So what that means in English is this. Earlier in the podcast, I said 90% of Forex traders lose money. In other words, people, with a 50-to-1 leverage ratio, if you invest $500 into Forex, there is a 90% chance you will lose somewhere in the range of $2,500. And there's only a 10% chance that you're going to make $50. Once again, people, with Forex trading, if you invest $500 into it, there is a 90% chance you are going to lose around $2,500, but only a 10% chance you're going to make $50. That is what a 50-to-1 ratio looks like in the real world. People, does this sound like a good financial idea or like a long-term strategy for you to build wealth? In many ways, people, the odds of 50-to-1 are so stacked against you. A very small move in the markets that you do not control can literally lead directly to your financial ruin and make you homeless. Next, the next reason why you should not become a Forex trader is because the market movements have literally huge impacts on your money. As I said earlier, people, with Forex traders, very small market movements that you have literally no control over make trading a deposit or temporary a permanent loser. So in the Forex world, CFDs stand for contracts for differences, and it's an agreement between an investor and a CFD broker to exchange the differences in the value of a financial product. According to a 2023 study that was done by Quantified Strategies, the statistics of a CFD market are as follows. 58% of retail traders lose money when trading CFDs with interactive brokers. 65% of retail investors lose money when trading CFDs with Saxo Bank. 67% of retail investors lose money when trading CFDs with eToro. 71% of retail accounts lose money when they trade with CMC. 72% of retail CFD accounts lose money when they trade with a 500 plus. 81% of retail investment account managers lose money when they're trading the spread bets on Instagram and in IG. And once again, everybody, 90% of Forex traders lose money because of the unrealistic expectations, lack of skill, lack of knowledge, lack of transparency, and scams. People, with numbers that sound this bad, does Forex trading really sound like an investment strategy that you want to use to put your retirement or your life savings or your children's futures into? Forex, everybody, for lack of a better word, sucks. And if you are serious about financially emancipating yourself from poverty and for building generational wealth, my advice is simple. Avoid it at literally all costs, because you are going to most likely lose your shirt. And once again, let me take it back to the boring investments that you probably should get involved with. For comparison's sake, I have an index fund and ETFs that have literally never lost money over the last 100 years when it comes to the stock market. And I also have an index fund that currently has a year-to-date ratio of 19% this year in 2023. So you can go with Forex or you can go to the things that work. I'll let you decide. Also, check out my podcast on how index funds can make you a millionaire. Next, before I go any further, everybody, please hit that notification bell so that you know when I bring new content. Please hit that like button. Please share the video. Please comment. Please subscribe. It helps the algorithm. It allows me to continue to bring you guys free content here on YouTube. Next, the next reason why you should not become a Forex trader. Currency markets are literally, people, a zero-sum game. So exchange rates are a zero-sum game, people. Basically, unlike with stocks, mutual funds, and index funds, over the long term with Forex, you have literally no tailwinds from inflation or productivity gains. So with a stock, everybody, you historically get a free 0.04% gain every day that you own the stock, because the markets incentivize you to be essentially a long-term investor and to hold on to the stocks that you buy. So this is proven based on historical returns over the last 100 years. As a result of this, stocks, historically speaking, have proven to be very good wealth creators if you hold on to them for the long term. However, everybody, Forex ain't like that. With Forex, people, you can't buy and hold Forex because Forex is nothing more literally than a relationship between two political economies. And because of that, unlike with stocks, exchange traded funds, ETFs, or index funds, with Forex traders, you can't build wealth over time. Next, the next reason why you should not become a Forex trader, the currency markets are insanely difficult to predict. Full disclosure, everybody, you can't actually predict the returns of a stock or a bond or ETF or index fund either. But once again, everybody, stocks, ETFs, and index funds that match the stock market have averaged around 10% over the last 100 years. In other words, people, things like stocks, ETFs, and index funds that match the stock market have a proven track record of what they are most likely going to do. Foreign exchange or trading accounts, however, have no record. It's not back-tested by any credible source. And good luck, people, predicting what your Forex investments are actually going to do in the real world after you purchase them. There are literally, everybody, 1 trillion reasons that could affect the rates, such as an importer, an exporter, spectator, hedger, central bank, a Russian or Chinese oligarch who can essentially manipulate the market and do things that are completely outside of your control to affect your money. And the Forex market is ultimately dependent on ultimately 1 trillion factors that are completely out of your control. Next. The next reason why you should not become a Forex trader, the industry is literally full of scams, fraudsters, and criminals. More so than any other brokerage or financial brokerage institution that is out here, the Forex world is literally chock full of criminals and scam artists that are looking to steal your money. A lot of these people actually wear shirts and ties and suits too, which is even scarier. People, if an offer or an advertisement sounds too good to be true, then guess what? It is. Many financially illiterate people sadly get into Forex trading because they have a friend or a family friend or somebody they hoop with or they go to church with or they live in the trailer parks next to or whatever that promises them that they have a proven strategy that works, kind of like the individual that came to me. And normally the individuals that say this absolute garbage have very little results to back up what they actually say. And if they can produce results, it's rarely older than 3 years. Next, the next reason why you should not become a Forex trader, the industry requires 24/7, 365-day coverage, and that obviously is a lot of work. So due to the deregulated nature of the Forex market being essentially dominated by professional brokers, you are essentially trading against and competing against the best of the best financial professionals and institutions in the world. It's kind of like this, everybody. It's kind of like if you become a Forex trader, you're literally stepping into an Olympic field and competing against nothing but gold medalists, and you have literally never played their sport a day in your life. Another example, it's kind of like buying a basketball and then trying to shoot 3-pointers with Steph Curry if you never actually shot a 3-pointer, or buying a football and going up against Tom Brady or Patrick Mahomes in the Super Bowl and you've never played football or been a quarterback a day in your life. The Forex market, everybody, is broker driven, and broker driven means that you as the trader have literally no control over how your trade order gets fulfilled, and you have extremely limited views on exactly what is going on behind the scenes. In closing, everybody, I'm just going to be honest with you. Becoming a Forex trader is just a terrible long-term investment strategy for you and for your money. Not understanding the market, having very little capital, over trading, lack of transparency, high leverage, insanely high risk, and the ability to lose a lot of money extremely quickly are all significant reasons and significant factors why 90% of Forex traders lose a lot of money. And when I say a lot of money, I mean, I'm talking about, I've heard stories of individuals losing $300,000 and $400,000 in one day being a Forex trader. Everyone, I am a mechanical engineer. I have an MBA and I've taught finance for literally decades. I unequivocally live in a world full of numbers, and the facts about Forex traders speak literally for themselves. Once again, I go back to the meat and potatoes of what's actually going on out here in the real world. According, once again, to a 2023 study that was done by Research Content Works and Forex Trading Statistics, 73 to 90% of Forex brokers lose money. Less than 10% of Forex traders actually make money. 90% of retail traders lost money in 2022, and other 10% that did not actually lose money, a very small percentage literally only break even. So in closing, people, when your broke friend in the trailer parks, or your broke friend in the hood, or your brother-in-law or whatever, or that pretty girl at the country club tries to get you to become a forex trader with them because you're going to make a lot of money, literally everybody, you should run as fast as you can from them, okay? Because you're better off flying to Vegas and putting your 401k on a crap board or whatever, putting your 401k on the roulette table, because you're going to lose your shirt. People, put your money into the time-tested investment strategies of your Roth IRA, your employer match 401k, index funds, ETFs, real estate investment trusts, real estate, property owners, property, land. Put your stuff into things like that. Put your investments into things like that. Build your generational wealth and financially emancipate yourself from poverty, using the time-tested and true values that actually build wealth and that actually work. Because those investment strategies are vastly better returns on your investment than becoming a forex trader. Everybody, this channel is all about making money, saving money, building generational wealth, and financially emancipating yourself from poverty. You can book a one-on-one session with me at any point. The link is below. Also, everybody, I'm not giving you financial advice on this channel. You can make your own decisions and everything, and you must do your own research to make your own responsible decisions based on thorough and independent research that you do, and conduct that for your own financial choices, okay? But once again, I'm gonna tell it completely like it is. If you look at statistics the way that I do, I would avoid forex trading literally with a 10-foot pole. I would avoid it at all costs, okay? Please follow me, everybody. Check out my website at www.therealfinancipation.com. You can check me out on Instagram at @thereal_financipation. My Spotify channel is Financipation, just like it's spelled in that sign right there. My TikTok is also Financipation. Check me out on there. My Facebook page, my Facebook tribe is Financipation. And check out some of my digital, my e-blogs as well, okay? I go into a lot more detail about investments and about brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and things of that nature on my financial blog, Financipation. It's $4.95 a month. And on that particular blog, you're going to get just some time-tested meat and potato type of things that will make you a millionaire, okay? And lastly, check out some of my digital, my e-products below as well. I have a financial class that's going to be coming out soon. And hit the notification bell, okay? Once again, everybody, it's your boy Chris. Please like, please comment, please share, please subscribe. Please hit that notification button so that you know when I drop new content. And thanks, everybody, for signing on. And thank you, Killer Solutions, for all these dope graphics and these dope editing, okay? It's your boy Chris. I'm out, everybody. Peace. Peace.